There we go. That was a good one.
That was perfect.
Yeah.
There you go.
What are you doing?
I don't
feel safe anymore.
I don't saw it. Like,
That's why I was like, what are you doing? And then aiming down.
He's an idiot. Up more. Cody,
Do it.
there you go.
He keeps moving his hand up.
Leave your hand where it is, Colin. He's
Stop moving the gun.
His gun's fucking pointed way down. Level the gun out, Cody. Stop being such a scared little bitch, Colin.
Yeah, hold your fucking can still.
Now hold the gun level.
Hey, don't shoot it down, idiot. Shoot it straight.
Yeah, yeah.
Look tight.
That's why it fucks it out of your hand.
Dude, shoot the gun straight. Level it out.
Alright, you ready?
Tight.
There we go. That was a good one.
That was perfect.
Hold it straight. Wheeze the juice.
Ready for it?
I kick.
Come on, let's do this. Good shot. What do you think?
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Cody, you're not straight.
Hold it tight. Hold it tight.
Cody, you're not straight. You're gonna fucking destroy that can.